In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at the Google Map widget here and how to add a Google Map location to your mobile website, which also allows users and your potential customers to get directions right to your location if you want to offer that. So, very easy indeed. We drag this into the area you would like to add that on your mobile website or page. Once you've dragged that in, it will open up the light box that will allow you to pop in your location settings. So firstly, we need to choose a title of your location. So in our example, Mobelio office. Okay. We then need to choose the location address, and this is going to pop on the actual icon and show people where you are based. So in our example here, let's just have an address typed in. What you'll notice when you type your location address in, you will be prompted here for addresses, so it makes it a lot quicker for you to find the right address. So here's address we can use here. Okay, so once we choose the address, as you'll notice down at the bottom here, the icon will appear at the location of your actual business. So again, you can just double check this, make sure that's pointing to the right direction, the right location, sorry. Once we've done that, okay, so we've now configured that part, we now need to decide whether we want to allow users to have a get directions button on the site. And this is really easy to do. We just turn this on, and as you'll notice over here, it's just updated. We've got the actual location on the actual map on the page, and we've got a directions button down here as well, which we can configure on the design tab of your mobile website, which we looked at in another tutorial. Now you can essentially change the text here. So by default we've got get directions. You can change that to directions to our location or whatever you want there. So I'm just going to leave that as get directions. You can also switch that button off. So if you don't want the directions on, just turn that off and it will remove that from your mobile site. You can also remove the pages, the actual map as well. So if you turn the map off, you could just have a get directions button only. Okay, that's completely up to you. So you can configure this however you want. So once we've done that, we've got the option to have title settings in here as well. So our location, I'll just type in just as an example. It will add in a title just as we've got above. So I'll make that white as well just to match the theme here. Okay, and all we need to do then is click save, and we have successfully added a Google Map with our location to our mobile site for users to see at a glance. And we've also provided a get directions button down here as well. So users just need to click that get directions button. It will open Google Maps on their smartphone and give them directions from their exact location to your place of business. And you can configure this to, again, turn that off if you don't want that on. That's completely up to you. But that's how we use the Google Map widget. Very easy indeed. You can add this to any page of your mobile website that you wish. You could add it to every page if you want. And again, allow users to easily find your location and get directions right to you at a touch of a button.